Spatula. A flat tool with a flexible blade used for mixing, spreading, or turning food. Spatula. Ladle. A long-handled spoon with a deep bowl used for serving soup, stew, or sauce. Ladle. Tongs. A tool consisting of two arms joined by a pivot or hinge, used for picking up and holding things. Tongs. Oven mitts. Thick gloves made of heat-resistant material used to protect hands when handling hot dishes or using the oven. Oven mitts. Apron. A protective garment worn over clothes, usually tied at the back, used to keep clothes clean while cooking or doing other messy tasks. Apron. Dish towel. A cloth used for drying dishes or wiping up spills in the kitchen. Dish towel. Baking sheet. A flat metal tray used for baking food in the oven, such as cookies, pastries, or roasted vegetables. Baking sheet. Spatula. 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 Ladle. 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 Tongs. 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 Oven mitts. Oven mitts. Oven mitts. Apron. 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 Dish towel. Dish towel. Dish towel. Baking sheet. Baking sheet. Baking sheet.